Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This blue extra large chair umbrella from AMMSUN is my new go-to summer accessory. It is so awesome. It is so great because it gives maximum sun protection. And I really appreciate that because I'm very aware of sun exposure. So I feel comfortable knowing this is protecting me. It can attach to round and square surfaces and flat surfaces, which I love because you can truly use it anywhere and be totally hands-free all day long. And the universal clamp is awesome because it opens up really large enough. You can put it on pretty much any surface. Again, I love the sun protection. It makes me feel so secure and I can be out in the sun all day and still be comfortable. It is really large, which I absolutely love and appreciate. And the matching travel bag is super lightweight, very easy to grab and go and to just pack up after you're done for the day. So that is a really nice feature as well. It's very sturdy. It'll definitely stay in place where you need it. It gives a lot of coverage. This will be really helpful too if it's like windy or you're by the ocean because it's just going to stay in place. You can even adjust it right while you're sitting. All the features feel really high quality, very easy to use, and you won't have to worry about it blowing away. You can just relax, enjoy the shade. It also swivels in 360 degrees, so you are able to put this anywhere that you need it, which is awesome because it can just stay in place and then you can move it as the sun moves with this little swivel head right here. I'm so excited to use this umbrella in so many different ways in the future, like the beach, a picnic, golfing, camping. This will be the perfect addition to my gear. Anywhere my chair goes, this is definitely coming with me.
I definitely recommend this umbrella, and that's my point of view.